Hi, I'm Frankie Nahara, the Sales and Marketing Manager here at TreePod, and we're excited to introduce you to the latest product. The TreePod Canopy is a lightweight, open, portable hanging space made of canvas. Thanks to your feedback, our latest model is bigger and more open than previous models, while keeping the same shaded hammock that we all love. The canopy is great for both hanging out in the park, patio, or at the beach. The 5 open windows, which are unique to the canopy, will allow breeze to come in, keeping you cool while the fabric top provides shade to keep you out of the sun. The TreePod can be assembled just about anywhere, even at the office. The optional frame allows you to hang a TreePod up in places where you're unable to use a ceiling or a tree. It is made of durable canvas and an easy to set up internal frame. The dual ring construction gives it 2.5 times more space than similar products currently on the market. It fits perfectly in the living room. You can use a tree or TreePod stand to set up your TreePod in your yard. This is the perfect way to relax after work. The canopy is great for both socializing and spending time alone. Think of the TreePod as a hammock with superpowers. They will give you all the benefits of a hammock, but are much roomier and more comfortable. All TreePods are portable and they pack down to the size of a camping tent. The setup takes minutes.
Hi, I'm Ricardo, inventor and founder of TreePod. From the start, we've been successful thanks to the support and feedback of our backers. Our first campaign in 2015 was for a kid's hanging treehouse, and you asked us for an adult version. Now in 2021, we're launching the TreePod Canopy, our largest, roomiest, most open model. It is 50% bigger than our largest previous model, with a 7.5-foot base and 5 large windows. Where will you hang your TreePod? Share your answer with us on social media using #MyTreePod for a chance to win fun prizes, including a fully outfitted TreePod. We're a Kickstarter company, funded by customers like you. So pledge now to help us launch this new generation of TreePod.